Hello, you've reached Forrest with forrestbuyshouses.com. We're down in Richmond right now, and I just wanted to show you that this is, just another opportunity that we're able to serve somebody, and we're able to provide, some closure to a family that, has a property that they don't want anymore. So, this property needs a lot of repairs, probably $70,000 to $80,000 in repairs, and that's what we do. It's kind of overwhelming for the family that they just don't even know where to start, and they're on their third dumpster cleaning out trash from the life that their parents or their loved ones used to live. So anyway, we help people all the time in these kind of situations, so feel free to give us a call or email us and let us know how we can help you. All right, thank you very much. And the website is forrestbuyshouses.com, and the phone number is on the website. All right, thank you. Have a great day.